Hello everyone, welcome back to Edulogos Mind. Good morning all of you. As you can listen the sound of the birds surrounding me, morning onwards I started to teach you the solar system. Today I'll not teach you today I'll revise the lesson, the important questions I will discuss in the class. Okay, so you understand the solar system as it is too vast, but because in your mind I have to keep it, so I make it short, in short only. This is lesson 1. All important questions are solar system and the universe. Fill in the blanks. I'm going to, as in the lockdown process in the Google Classroom, we all are giving the short questions. So today I am going to revise only the short questions. The universe began as a tiny hot compact point. Many years these gases and dust to come together and form galaxies, stars, planets and more. The big explosion called the Big Bang when the universe began to expand. After the Big Bang the matter spread out. The stars is a ball of hot gases. The sun is a big star. A satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet. The Earth has only one natural satellite, that is Moon. Our Earth receives heat and light from Sun. Mercury and Venus has no satellites. Stars have their own light and heat. I have prepared these notes for you, for your convenience. The Sun is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. Saturn is called ringed planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. Pluto is considered to be a dwarf planet. Neptune is very cold and windy. Venus is the hottest planet. Uranus is called ice giant. The group of stars from a recognizable shape is called constellation. Orion is known as the hunter. The Ursa Major is known as Great Bear. I have shown you the picture of this also. If you have forgotten, then once more I'm showing you. That is Orion. You can see like hunter, and that is Ursa Major. There are total 88 constellations. Here are 88 constellations. The moon moves around the earth. The universe is vast, endless space. The universe contains dust, gases, and pieces of rocks. Now, if you answer the following, also I suggest small answers. What is Big Bang? Do it yourself. What is galaxy? What is satellite? How did the universe begin? What is matter? Now, the interesting part is, who am I? When something is made smaller or firmer by presenting it, that is compact. To become more spread out and filled with more space, expand. The substance that everything in the universe is made of, matter. Something such as air that is neither solid nor liquid, gas. A heavenly body that names around a star like the sun, planet. The 8 planets surrounding the sun, solar system. So learn these things, because we are also a part of solar system. Once again I want to show you the whole solar system, that is sun. Near the sun, Mercury, just after the Sun. Then number 2 position Venus. Then number 3 position Earth. Where is our Earth? Earth. And then number 4 Mars. Number 5 Jupiter, the largest one. Number 6 Saturn, the ring planet. Number 7 Uranus, the ice giant. And then number 8, that is Neptune, very cold and windy. And at last, that is not the planet. The astronauts declare it as a dwarf planet. So thank you very much. Stay healthy and watch EduLogos Mind. If you still not subscribe, then please subscribe EduLogos Mind. Thank you very much.